Hello students, welcome to Gyan Gurukul E-Classes. Myself Mr. RISI SIR and I'll teach you the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. Okay? I think all of you preparing for your upcoming NEET and JEE exam and moi bhabu tumalokor benefit hobo etu chapter pora. Okay? So I'll start this chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. So I'll start at the very basic of this chapter. I'll start from the very beginning of this chapter. Okay, but nomenclature I will not teach you because nomenclature is different part. And edu chapter jeneke tuma class 12 ot nomenclature asil like to NCERT. To a nomenclature moi etia napoho. Just I'll teach you like types of classifications of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. Like tar pisot moi poham tomar ki koy preparation of haloalkanes, preparation of haloarenes, and I'll teach you with mechanism, and I'll give you some assignment also. Okay, so kishman questions, probable questions we'll discuss. Okay, so first we'll discuss the reactions mechanism. Next I'll give you some questions also tomaloke try koribo karone, and we'll discuss here also. Okay. So I'll start the chapter. This is haloalkanes and haloarenes. First, you have to know about haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. Halo means what? Halo means the halogen. Halo means what? Halogen. Okay? And alkanes, you know, alkanes, the general formula of alkane is a hydrocarbon. These are compounds containing carbon and hydrogen, and general formula of alkane is what? CnH2n plus 2. So what is the haloalkanes? Halo plus alkanes means haloalkanes. That you have to know that the general formula of haloalkane is what? CnH2n plus 1x, and this CnH2n plus 1 is called, this is called alkyl group. What? Alkyl group. इसका मतलब यही है that if a halogen is bonded with an alkyl group, then it is called haloalkane or alkyl halide. Haloalkane or alkyl halide. Tarmane tomaloke haloalkane ki kobo para? Alkyl halide. You can say also alkyl halide. Okay. So this is a general formula. It's a very basic part. Now we'll discuss the classifications of haloalkane. Classification of haloalkane. How can we classify the haloalkanes? First, you see, this is monohaloalkane. Monohaloalkane. Monohaloalkane means these haloalkanes or alkyl halide containing only one halogen atom. The example like RCH2X, like RCHRX, RCRRX. And this R is what? This is the alkyl group. R is what? Sorry. R is what? This is alkyl group. Okay, this is alkyl group, and X is here halogen. You know all the halogen, like this is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and what? Iodine. That is a monohaloalkanes. You see all these haloalkanes containing only one halogen atom, and you see this kind of haloalkane is called 1 degree. This is called primary. This is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree. This is the classification of haloalkanes. Primary, secondary, and tertiary. How you will identify? Just you see this carbon atom, this carbon atom, this carbon atom, this carbon atom. If the carbon atom containing halogen bonded with 2 hydrogen, then this is primary. If the carbon atom is containing with a halogen atom bonded with 1 hydrogen atom, then it is secondary. And if there is no hydrogen atom is bonded with this carbon, which is bonded with a halogen atom, it is called what? Tertiary. Okay, this is the classifications monohaloalkanes. Tomaloke likhi loba, pause koriba video and likhi loba. Okay, next yar pisot ami discuss korim monohaloalkanes. Next aibo tomar dihaloalkane. Dihaloalkane. What? Dihaloalkane. Dihaloalkane means the haloalkanes containing 2 halogen atoms. As an example, like you see RCH2CH like XX, okay? Here this is a halogen. X is what? Halogen, okay? X is halogens. And this kind of haloalkanes or alkyl halide is known as geminal alkyl halide or geminal haloalkanes. Okay? Next, you see this one RCR, and this is like a RCH, X, like this one, CH to X, like this. So this is also a dihaloalkane, and such type of dihaloalkane are known as vicinal dihaloalkane or vicinal dihalide. So what is vicinal dihalide? You see, in an alkyl halide, if two halogen is bonded with the same carbon atom, okay, it's called geminal alkyl halide. But both the alkyl halides should be same. Okay, both the halogens should be same, and this is called vicinal dihalide. Here you see, if two same halogens are bonded with an alkyl halide, but if two same halogens are bonded with the adjacent carbon of an alkyl halide, and it is called vicinal dihalide. Adjacent means kakhot thoka hobo lagibo. Okay, so adjacent carbon jodi duta same halogen bonded hoy thake, it is called vicinal, and jodi same carbon logot jodi duta same halogen eto bonded hoy thake, that is called geminal. Next, number 3, trihaloalkane, like this is CSX3. This is called halo form. What? Halo form. So best example like CHIT iodoform. You know iodoform test we will discuss in aldehyde chapter. Like CHCl chloroform, jana tumaloke, CHBRT, all of you know this is called bromoform. These are trihaloalkanes. So I mean one time yet waste no koru, just very basics. Next the tetrahaloalkanes. Tetrahaloalkanes means this is like CCl4. This is a tetrahaloalkane. This is called carbon tetrachloride. All of you know. Okay? ठीक है? लिख लो, आप लोग लिख लीजिए वो. Please write down. Next, we'll continue. Next, allylic halide. Allylic alkyl halide. What is allylic? Allylic alkyl halide. You see, you know, I think that in a compound containing carbon-carbon triple bond, okay, carbon-carbon triple bonded carbon का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जो स्टेट होता है क्या होता है आपको sp होता है. कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड होगा तो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट क्या होगा sp2 होगा. एंड कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा, सिंगल बॉन्डेड जो कार्बन है सिंगल बॉन्डेड कार्बन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट की है sp3 है. ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड कार्बन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट sp, डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट sp2 एंड सिंगल बॉन्डेड कार्बन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट की है sp3 है. नाउ यू एलाइलिक एल्काइल हैलाइड. ओके, सो এই কারণে তুমি ইয়াত যদি ইলেক্ট্রোনেগেটিভিটি উলাব দিয়া হয় দেন কি হয় ট্রিপল বন্ডেড কার্বন ইলেক্ট্রোনেগেটিভ বেশি হয়. এটো তোমালোকে জানা হয়তো ইনঅর্গানিক আর কেমিস্ট্রি পাইছত যে কার্বন হিয়ার মোর এস ক্যারেক্টার মোর ইলেক্ট্রোনেগেটিভিটি. এম আই রাইট? সো যদি ইলেক্ট্রোনেগেটিভিটি আমি এরেঞ্জ কৰিব যাও এটো ইলেক্ট্রোনেগেটিভিটি কার্বনৰ বেশি হয়. মোর এস ক্যারেক্টার মোর ইলেক্ট্রোনেগেটিভ বিকজ দ্য এস অরবিটাল হ্যাজ এ মোর পেনিট্রেটিং পাওয়ার. ওকে, আমি এতিয়া এটো ডিসকাস কৰি লওঁ. So you see allylic alkyl halide. What kind of alkyl halide is called allylic alkyl halide? You see like this one CH2 double bond CH, like CH2 suppose X. Here X is always halogen. Okay, so you see this halogen is bonded with this carbon which is what? sp3 hybridized. So you can say halogen which is bonded with a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized next to a carbon-carbon double bond is called allylic alkyl halide. In case of like alcohol also, allylic form এনেকুৱাই হয় সদায়. allylic formত কি হয় যদি alcohol হলেও ইয়াত কি হ'ব x ৰ ঠাইত OH গ্ৰুপ আহি যাব. So this X is bonded, this halogen is bonded with this carbon which is what? sp3 hybridized next to a carbon-carbon double bond is called allylic alkyl halide. Next after allylic, vinylic alkyl halide. What? Vinylic alkyl halide. Okay, So vinylic alkyl halide, like this one, vinylic alkyl halide, the halogen is bonded with a carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized, which is what? sp2 hybridized. Next, sp2 hybridized of carbon-carbon double bond. You see this is carbon-carbon double bonded carbon, and this hybridization state is what? sp2. This is halogen. This halogen is bonded with this carbon, which is sp2 hybridized, because this carbon is what? Double bonded carbon. So such kind of alkyl halide is known as a what? Vinylic alkyl halide. Allylic हो गया, vinylic हो गया. Next you see the benzylic alkyl halide. What is the benzylic alkyl halide? Here you see this is a benzene ring. Benzene is an aromatic compound, all of you know. This one CH2 and this is X. This is halogen. Here also you see this carbon is what? Single bonded carbon, and this carbon is what? Kya hybridized? sp3 hybridized. And this halogen is bonded with this carbon atom. Okay, this halogen is bonded with this carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized next to a benzene ring. It's called benzylic alkyl halide. Next, haloarenes. Okay, haloarenes, which is also known as an aryl halide. Aryl group, benzene group, haloarenes. You see here halogen is bonded with a carbon atom, okay, which is sp2 hybridized of a benzene ring. sp2 hybridized of a what? Benzene ring is called what? Aryl halide or haloarenes. So these are all the classifications, complete classifications of what? Haloalkanes or haloarenes. Okay, so তোমালোকে লিখি লোৱা. Okay, all of you getting my point? Please write down. Next we're going to discuss, this is very important, this is a preparation of alkyl halide. Preparation of alkyl halide or what? Haloarenes. Preparation of alkyl halide or haloarenes. Preparation of alkyl halide or haloarenes. Now, first we'll discuss the preparation of alkyl halide from alkane. Preparation of alkyl halide or haloarenes from alkane. How you will prepare the alkyl halide from alkane? Now it's just like very simple. You know, like free radical mechanism, because my haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter direct start koriso. So I nazano tumaloke free radical mechanism ধৰি ললো মই free radical mechanism তোমালোকে জানা. So direct মই ইয়াৰ পৰা start কৰি দিছো. So যদি তোমালোকে নাজানে কমেন্ট কৰিবা, মই free radical mechanism again I will start. Okay, so from alkane like CH4 methane, this is very important. This alkyl halide, preparation of alkyl halide from alkane is very important for your NEET and JEE. JEE kind of बहुत बेसी important হয়. So like you see CH4 methane, suppose আমি chlorine দিলো and this reaction is take place in presence of H nu, then what happen here? Methyl chloride, like episode কি হ'ব তোমাৰ HCl, very simple হয় না. তো like ইয়াত কি হয় তোমাৰ free radical mechanism হয়. Okay, but okay, this is methane. So you have free radical mechanism like chain initiations or termination or propagations. Okay, but now you see আমি যদি লিখিব যাও, like suppose তোমাক দিলো CH3 CH2 CH3, this is what? Propane. Okay, plus Cl2 and H nu di dilo, then what happen here? So we will get the product like this na. CH3 palu ami, CH2 palu, yet palu CH2Cl, again here CH3 like CH at chlorine CH3. ठीक है सर. Okay, so we'll get two products. We'll get how many product? Two product. This is the propane when treated with one equivalent of chlorine in presence of H nu, then we'll get two product. This one also, this one also. But important thing is that you have to write only measure product. You have to write only measure product in your exam. Okay, आप exam में measure product को लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, major product is your right answers. Okay, so you see in this reaction, which one is major product? This is the major product because you will get 55% yield. आपको यही मिलेगा, ठीक है, और ये आपको 45% मिलेगा आपको. उसका मतलब यही है, दिस इज द माइनर प्रोडक्ट. ओके, और ये हो गया आपको क्या प्रोडक्ट है? मेजर प्रोडक्ट. बट व्हाई? इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट why this is the major product and why this is minor product. Okay, why? Here also free radical mechanism take place, and why this is major, why this is minor? You see, you know, I think stability. तुम्हारे की जाना stability. You know, I think stability of free radical. Stability of free radical, I think you know. Okay, so stability of free radical can be like defined like this: the tertiary free radical is more stable than secondary. Secondary free radical is more stable than what? Primary. Okay, so আমি যদি এই ৰিয়েকচনটো চাওঁ তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? এইটো কাৰ্বনত তোমাৰ এইটো কাৰ্বন ক্লোৰিন হৈ গ'ল আৰু এইটো কাৰ্বনৰ লগতো ক্লোৰিন এটাচ হৈ গ'ল, বাট টাৰ্চিয়াৰী কোনটো টাৰ্চিয়াৰী তোমাৰ ফ্ৰী ৰেডিকেল জেনেৰেট হ'ব? টাৰ্চিয়াৰী ফ্ৰী ৰেডিকেল ক'ত ফৰ্ম হ'ব? ওকে, বা সেকেন্ডারি ফ্রি রেডিকেল কোড ফর্ম হবে. ইয়াত যদি হয় তোমার এটো কি হবে? এটা প্রাইমারি হ'ব আৰু ইয়াত কি হ'ব? তোমাৰ ইয়াতে সেকেন্ডারি হ'ব. ঠিক আছে, সো স্টেবিলিটি অফ ফ্রি ৰেডিকেলৰ পৰা আমি এটো একচুয়ালি ডিফাইন কৰিব পাৰো. বাট স্টেবিলিটি অফ ফ্রি ৰেডিকেল আমি কেনেকৈ ডিফাইন কৰোঁ? হাউ উইল ডিফাইন দ্য স্টেবিলিটি অফ ফ্রি ৰেডিকেল? বাই হাইপাৰ কনজুগেশ্যনছ. একচুয়ালি কিছুমান ইন্ডাকটিভ ফেকৰ পৰা স্টেবিলিটি অফ ফ্রি ৰেডিকেল আমি ডিফাইন কৰিব পাৰো, বাট একচুয়াল প্ৰপাৰ কনসেপ্ট বুলি ক'লে হাইপাৰ কনজুগেশ্যন. ইউ কেন ডিফাইন দ্য স্টেবিলিটি অফ ফ্রি ৰেডিকেল ফ্ৰম হাইপাৰ conjugation. Okay, because this propane अगर यहाँ पे क्लोरीन ये कार्बन का साथ क्लोरीन बॉन्डेड होगा तो वहाँ पे जो फ्री रेडिकल जनरेट होगा वो सेकेंडरी फ्री रेडिकल होगा और वहाँ प्राइमरी फ्री रेडिकल होगा. एंड सेकेंडरी फ्री रेडिकल इज मोर स्टेबल देन प्राइमरी फ्री रेडिकल. दैट इज व्हाई दिस प्रोडक्ट इज कंसिडर्ड एज ए स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट व्हिच इज कंसिडर्ड एज ए मेजर प्रोडक्ट. बट एक्चुअल कंसेप्ट ये नहीं है, ठीक है, उसके लिए थोड़ा आप लोग वेट कीजिए. ओके, तो ये एक्चुअल जो कंसेप्ट है ये नहीं है. इसका असली जो कंसेप्ट है हम लोग कहाँ से डिफाइन करेंगे? आपको सेलेक्टिविटी एंड रिएक्टिविटी. सेलेक्टिविटी एंड रिएक्टिविटी रेशियोज पर आमी एटो एक्चुअली डिफाइन करो. यदि स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल पर डिफाइन करो, यू विल नॉट गेट द प्रॉपर आंसर. ठीक है सर, सेलेक्टिविटी एंड रिएक्टिविटी व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, suppose one question, another question you see like this is CH3. What? This one CH3. Like this one CH, this one CH3, this one CH2, this one CH3. So this one chlorine Cl2 and this is H nu. Okay, so here product ki hobo yat choa CH3, this one carbon, this one CH3. Okay, तो this one CH2, this one CH3. এতিয়া চোৱা ইয়াত যদি তোমাৰ ফ্ৰী ৰেডিকেল জেনাৰেট হয়, ইয়াত যদি ফ্ৰী ৰেডিকেল জেনাৰেট হয় তো টাৰ্চিয়াৰী ফ্ৰী ৰেডিকেল হৈ যাব. সো ইয়াত লগত ক্লোৰিন আমি দি দিলো. ওকে, নেক্সট ইউ সি দিস ওয়ান CH3 কার্বন, এগেইন CH3, ইয়াত দিলো মই CH2, ইয়াত দিলো হাইড্ৰোজেন, ইয়াত দিলো তোমাৰ CH2Cl. তো এটো তো ফ্ৰী ৰেডিকেল জেনাৰেল প্ৰাইমাৰী হ'ব. বাট ये प्राइमरी यात যদি তোমার ফ্রি রেডিকেল হয়, সাপোজ ইয়াত ফ্রি রেডিকেল হৈ গল তো ইয়াত প্রাইমারি হ'ব আৰু ইয়াত যদি ফ্রি রেডিকেল হৈ যায় তো টারশিয়ারি হ'ব. তো ইয়াৰ লগত ক্লোৰিন আহি গল, ইয়াৰ লগত তোমাৰ কি আহি গল? ক্লোৰিন আহি গল. তো কোনটো মেজৰ প্ৰডাক্ট হ'ব লাগে? এটো মেজৰ প্ৰডাক্ট? নো, দিস ইজ দ্য মাইনৰ প্ৰডাক্ট এন্ড দিস ইজ দ্য মেজৰ প্ৰডাক্ট. Are you getting a point? This is the major product here and this is the minor product here. Okay, this is minor product and this is what? Major product. Why? Because selectivity and what? Selectivity and reactivity. Selectivity and what? Reactivity. Okay? Selectivity and reactivity you have to know. Selectivity and reactivity ratio. ठीक है? Okay, now we'll discuss selectivity. Reactivity. Now please you write down. First you write down, next we'll discuss. Let's see. Pratham kotha, the reactivity order of halogen. Ki kolu moi reactivity order of halogen. Reactivity order of halogen towards alkane is like this. This is fluorine, next chlorine, next bromine, next iodine. Okay, इसका मतलब यही है, fluorine is more reactive than chlorine, chlorine is more reactive than bromine, and bromine is more reactive than iodine. And from this series, it is clear that fluorine is more reactive, but you have to know fluorine is least selective. More reactive, least selective. এটা alkane লগত যেটা reactions হ'ব তেতিয়া fluorine to বেছি reactive হয় towards alkane, but its selectivity ইয়াৰ কি হয় কম হয়. Okay, again you see iodine is less reactive, but you have to know more selective. Iodine is what? More selective. Okay, and chlorine and bromine also what? Selective. Okay, more selective. Bromine also selective. Okay, selective. Chlorine also what? Selective. But bromine is more selective than chlorine. But you can say it is more selective. You can say more selective, and it is, you can say this is most selective. ठीक है, this is more selective, this is most selective, this is selective. এটা मतलब ये হয় যেতিয়া এটা alkane লগত reactions হয়, reactions হোৱাৰ আগত fluorine একো select নকৰে যে কোনটো হাইড্ৰোজেনক substitute কৰিব বা কোনটো হাইড্ৰোজেনৰ জায়গাত fluorine আহি যাব, ই কোনো select নকৰে, they least select হয় because ই more reactive হয়. chlorine selective হয়, এই কোনটো হাইড্ৰোজেনক attract কৰিব, কোনটো কোনটো হাইড্ৰোজেনক substitute কৰিব, কোনটো কাৰ্বনৰ লগত বন্ড বনাব, ই select কৰিব. bromine select কৰে, more selective হয়. iodine to বহুত ভাবে, আয়োডিনে বহুত ভাবে, এণ্ড তাৰপিছত ই বন্ডিং বনায়. নাই হৈছে দিছ ইজ মাইনৰ, দিছ ইজ মেজৰ. ইয়াৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হৈছে, ক্লৰিনে এইটো মেজৰ প্ৰডাক্ট হৈ গ'ল, ক্লৰিন ইজ চিলেক্টিভ. ক্লৰিনে এইটো কাৰ্বনক চিলেক্ট কৰিলে যে এইটো কাৰ্বনৰ লগত মই বন্ড বনাম. অ'কে, আৰু যিটো বন্ডিং কৰি ইয়াতে কি হ'ব, যিটো কম্পাউণ্ড ফৰ্ম হ'ব এইটো ষ্টেবল কম্পাউণ্ড হ'ব. অ'কে, বাট হাউ ইউ চি. নাও এতিয়া ইয়াত আহিব তোমালোকৰ, ইয়াৰ পিছত আহিব ব্ৰমিনে কোনবিলাক কাৰ্বনৰ লগত বেছি চিলেক্টিভ হয়, মানে বন্ড বনাব বিচাৰে, কোনবিলাক কাৰ্বনৰ লগত বন্ড বনোৱাত চিলেক্টিভ হয়, কোন ব্ৰমিন. So bromine and iodine both are more selective, so you have to know that both bromine and iodines are selective. Their selectivity order is like this: 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. Okay, 3 degree is alkane hoy, but tertiary is tomar ki koy alkanor jitu carbon hoy, ei carbon tuk e carbonor logot e free radical mechanism dekha aru tar hydrogen tuk tomar substitute kore. Next 2 degree koribo, next 1 degree ko bromine or iodine kore. That means you see moi ki kobo bisari asu, সব বস্তুবিলাক তোমালে কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার করা, লাইক এনেকে ড্র কৰিলে সাপোজ না. তো দিস ইজ অ্যালকেন হয়, দিস ইজ অ্যালকেন. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দিস কম্পাউন্ড? ইউ নো দিস ইজ 2-methyl butane, and this carbon is primary carbon. Okay, this carbon is how many alkyl group is there? এই কার্বনের লগত দুটা আছে, তো this is secondary, and this is 1 degree, this is also 1 degree, and this is what? Tertiary, like this. Okay, so bromine কি কৰিব, more selective towards the what? Tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon to লগত ই তোমাৰ free radical mechanism দেখাবো, এটু কার্বনক সিলেক্ট কৰিব. iodine also like this. ঠিক আছে, so this is the classification. This is called primary because here 3 hydrogen is there, 2 hydrogen is secondary, I'm sorry, 3 hydrogen is primary, 3 hydrogen primary, and this is आपको 1 hydrogen is tertiary. Okay, like this. Clear? That means suppose it ইয়াৰ লগত যদি মই bromine treat কৰো, then what will be the major product here? bromine কোনটো attack কৰিব, this carbon attack কৰিব, and it will be what? Major product in case of bromine. Am I right? This is you see like as examples, CH3, like CH2, CH3 is a very common example, like it's bromine. When bromine is treated, which one will be major product here? CH3, C, like this one bromine, yeah, here CH, this one CH3. And this will be the here major product because this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, and this is the what? Major product in case of bromine. okay to bromine karone major product ki hobo tomar eto major product hobo ঠিক আছে iodine karone same hobo this will be major product because this is secondary this is the selectivity order of both bromine and iodine likhilwa next you see suppose ami jodi reactions hoy if we treated alkanes with like primary with fluorine suppose this reaction should take place in H nu in presence of H nu okay light of presence of hover reactions so then what happen here this is least selective so what will be the major product here CH3 CH2 CH2F is least selective jak phi tak etu suppose fluorine neighboring this carbon is fluorine sort ase so fluorine ya hydrogen to ki koribo substitute koribo okay so we will get this product but in case of like chlorine to chlorine or khetrot ki hoy tumi so chlorine so selectivity ratio of chlorine selectivity ratio of chlorine is what like you see tertiary secondary and primary tertiary so this is very very important for chlorine karone already fluorine mo koi dilu chlorine is the least selective more reactive bromine to ki hoy tomar like it's more selective iodine is more selective and here the selectivity order is what tertiary carbon is greater than secondary is greater than primary okay so chlorine selectivity ratio tertiary secondary primary you see tertiary carbon karone selectivity ratio 5 and secondary karone hoy 3.8 and primary karone ki hoy 1 hoy okay primary karone ki hoy tomar 1 hoy now you see like the reactions chlorine water reaction so like this is CH3 carbon CH3 this one hydrogen this one CH3 how many carbon is there? 4 and it react with like Cl2 this is H nu okay and you see here this is primary and this is primary so how many primary carbon hydrogen is there primary hydrogens this is primary carbons is 3 and how many hydrogen is there here 9 so selectivity ratio I'm sorry primary karone ki hobo titia hole to 9 okay selectivity ratio hoy selectivity ratio the proportion hoy to ratio sale hoy jabo ratio 9 hydrogen is there 9 and here the ratio value ki hoy 1 so 9 into 1 you will get what 9 okay next tomar this is primary and this is what tertiary the ratio for tertiary how many hydrogen is there 1 and what is the value here 1 value what 5 so 9 5 okay so the percentage of yield how can we calculate the percentage of yield how will be the measure product you see this is 9 for primary percentage of yield for primary equal 9 divided by 14 into 100 okay and percentage of yield what for tertiary will be what like this was 5 divided by 14 into 100 okay so so 9 into 100 by 14 so 900 divided by 14 and this is 500 divided by 14 so which one will be the major product here this is CH3C like this one H CH2 Cl this is CH3 this one will be major product and here this is CH3 CH this is CH3 this one CH3 and here this is tertiary carbon and this one will be what minor product okay this one will be minor product because in this reaction you see this is the percentage if we will calculate the percentage for like this is a primary carbon then it will be what primary ke liye kitna aayega value aapko percentage of yield for primary it will be like 64% how percent 60 what 64% and this is for tertiary it will be like what like 36% matlab This is the 64% yield power and it 36% yield power. Okay, and this one will be the what? Measured product. And this is the selectivity and reactivity ratio. And from this selectivity and reactivity ratio, we can calculate, but we can define the measured product when an alkane is react with halogene in presence of light. Okay, so next class আমি ইয়াৰ পিছত preparation of haloalkanes from alcohol over discuss কৰিম जैसे आपको how the haloalkanes by alkyl halide can be prepared from alcohol, just by using Lucas reagent. You know Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and zinc ZnCl2. Okay, Lucas reagent is used for the distinguish of alcohol like primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So moi jetia tumalok kitu preparations of haloalkanes from alcohol poham tetia moi Lucas reagent pohai alcohol distinguish test ekeloga korai dim. Next aku alcohol chapter pohibo proyojon nai. Jese with mechanism we'll discuss the reactions of alcohol with like thionyl chloride. Okay, this is called Dargin method. This is the best method for the preparations of alkyl halide or haloalkanes from alcohol. Okay, so হৈ যাব আজিলে আজি তোমালোক যদি ক্লাস 2 কৰি বেনিফিট হৈছে ভাল লাগিছে then you just subscribe the channels and share কৰা and comment কৰা আৰু তোমালোকে যদি ভাল পোৱা then I will continue my classes. Okay, thank you all.